What it do? Yeah. See, it's looking good. Yeah, it turned out pretty good, y'all. For real. I ain't gonna lie. That look good. I like that a lot. And I took a lot of weight off. Give me more room to play around. All up in here when I smack them new heads on. Yeah, it's gonna go down. We be rolling. Probably gonna be riding till the weather break though. But shit, we're gonna at least get it up and running though. Now. As soon as possible, y'all. Real. Yeah, but that definitely turned out good. I like it. Shit, you know. Yeah. She looking good though. Looking real good. This ain't going nowhere right now. Not right now. Put my all into this one, y'all. I want to do the disc brakes all the way around. Bigger brakes. All that. My boy say he got another one over at his house. I'm gonna go check it out. Shit, see what's popping. Shit, hey. See what's going on with it. Might can use the rear end and a couple more little parts off of it if it ain't in shape like I just want it. Like I'm picturing it anyway. So I'm gonna go take a look at that Malibu, see what's popping with it. I definitely want that rear end posi on there. So we gonna do that. And I'm gonna let y'all know about that when I get over there. Probably gonna wind up being tomorrow though, cause it's like starting to darken up. So I want to really look at it when I get over there. Get under there, climb all under there, look at everything like I want to look at it. Can't do that in the dark. I need to have daylight looking at it. Yep. Yeah, but yep, that's the. I need to finish it, so I'm still put me some stickers on there though. I got my stickers. I was gonna put them on before. But I want to see how it look and get my visual because there's other things I want to put on there besides just stickers. Try to squeeze all that little stuff. I don't want it looking too tacky either. So we gonna figure it out though. But it's coming along, y'all. It's definitely coming on. I definitely like the look. Yep. But leave a comment, like it. You know, tell me what y'all think. Yeah. More updates will be coming soon. I appreciate all the support from all y'all. And to the next one, y'all. One.